Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to download your credit card statement on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred credit card. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. Click on the Get Statement button. Select the desired month from the drop-down menu next to the text Duration. Choose your preferred file format. Click Download. That's it, your statement has been downloaded. This is how you can download your credit card statement on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.